Welcome everybody. Today we've got the Polar Battle Bear G.I. Joe. I think seems like it had a little thing here on the front where you could aim the weapons, or there was some function that you could slide back and forth here to make something happen up there. I can't remember what it was. Also was an engine cover and a roll bar that I've long since lost. It's got the hookup so you could in theory tow your those towable toys with you to wherever you need to go on the snow and ice. Let's see, looks like it had two pegs for the characters to stand on the back. I think it was the way it was. I think you were supposed to put one foot in there, or have a knee put there, and then that went on the peg. Seems like there was something about you're supposed to put one foot in that slot there. Maybe but then they would lean forward and grab hold to the roll bar. Yeah, I think that's what it was. But it had. I don't know if it's going to show on camera. It's all black down there, but it's two individual slots for each leg. I wish I hadn't taken a snow job down, but I mean they would you could actually grab the handlebars with the figure's hands, which is unusual for most toys back then. Of course, then there they go. But and this one with the skis, it slid really nice across carpet. It was a good play toy, good play value. It was not one of the more expensive products back then because it didn't come with its own figure. You had to supply your own figures. It was just a standalone vehicle. I think it had ice harpoons that went mounted on the ski slopes too. Skis too, because that looks like something that should have a missile or something on it. Yeah, there we go. 1983 Hasbro, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. One single axle, real cheap. Let's see, any other doodads in there? You got our control panel, gauges and whatnot. And the engine looks like a standard engine. I'm going to guess its cylinders can't be more than 4. Probably shouldn't be. I guess for a military vehicle, it probably was a 4-cylinder. We got aimable skis. But that's about all I got for that. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.